Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 12, 2023. Diagonal Sudoku RX Sudoku. Third grade and column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. 6th row, 7th row, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. Column E, column F, we have 3. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 3. Column I, column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. Column B, column C, we have 3. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. 9th row and 2nd row, and in this diagonal we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 6th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. 3rd row we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, and 4th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then in this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 9, 8. Column B, and in this diagonal, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 5th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then in this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. Column G, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 2nd grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, three numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. Then fifth grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, three numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Ninth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Ninth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column B, we have 4. Sorry, 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then sixth row, two numbers are remaining 6 and 8. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.